Buenos dias, Lamiteños! Lamitan City is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered with its rich culture heritage. Raising awareness about the importance of sustainable tourism is crucial for promoting responsible travel practices. Education and training programs can help tourism stakeholders understand the benefits of sustainability and promote best practices. Stunning natural landscape and warm hospitality. This city has immense potential for sustainable tourism development. The Parangbasak Weaving Center in Basilan's Lamitan City is a historic and culturally significant area where Yakan women traditionally weave, preserving the art and culture. This center is a legacy of master weaver Ambalang Ausalin, who was a national artist for textile tapestry and renowned weaver from Parangbasak. As a candidate for Miss Lamitan 2025, I am committed to promoting Lamitan City's sustainable tourism advocacy and showcasing its beauty to the world silver lining by working together. We can create a more resilient and equitable tourism industry that benefits both locals and visitors alike.
Sugatan na puso'y kusang kong magaling. Handa na bang lisanin mabigat na bibig? Magaan ng buhay.
Discover the vibrant beauty of Lamitan City. From its colorful cultures, breathtaking landscape,
Hawak ang kamay mo.
and historic landmarks.
Huwag kang bibitiw pag may dilubyong haharapin. Halika na, halika na. Sundan mo lamang ang aking habang papalayo sa ating naumpisa.
Experience the unique blend of traditional and modern attractions.
Halika na, halika na.
Explore the city's rich heritage, its bustling market, and indulge in local flavors. This land of Lamitan City raised us. It holds our stories, our roots, it shapes our past, holds our present. And all we ask is that it stays alive for the next generation, our children, to love the way we did. Nadia Gilles Waib
College Foundation of Southeast Asia and the Pacific Incorporated.
and magsupor si Cam Kemon.